Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy cryptocurrencies using the Blockchain Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Blockchain Wallet app, then go to this plus icon in the middle of the screen. And when you tap on it, it's going to open up all the crypto options that you have. You can swap, send, receive, earn rewards on your crypto, sell, and obviously buy. Now, if you want to buy cryptos, you just have to tap on the buy icon, which is going to open up the crypto purchasing page. Here you can choose the crypto from this list that you would like to purchase. Let's go with Bitcoin right now. And here you have two options. You can either type in the amount of money that you would like to invest in that crypto. As you can see, you can type in $100 or even $10, and you will receive 0.000246 bitcoins. But you can also type in the amount of bitcoins that you would like to purchase by tapping on this switch icon, and here you can type in the amount of crypto that you would like. Let's say 0.001, which would cost $40. But you can obviously go on and type in 500 bitcoins, which would cost $20 million. So yeah, that's how you can choose the amount of crypto that you would like to purchase. Let's say 1 Bitcoin, and then you have to tap on a credit or debit card to go on with your purchase and preview your order, where you have to add the name from your card, the card number, the expiry date, and the CVV, and your purchase is going to be done in a second. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.